Here we have the brand new JBL Go 5. Let's check it out. Inside the box we just have the speaker itself and two little booklets. That's all. But we don't need anything else. The speaker is all we need. Look at the size of this thing. It fits right in your palm. But don't let it fool you. This little guy is actually 10% louder than the previous Go 4. And the IP68 rating means it's waterproof, dustproof and drop-proof. And check this out. It's got ambient edge lighting now. It looks very nice. Even the hollow logo design actually improves the acoustics. JBL engineered it that way. Two big new features: AirTouch, bump 2 go 5 seconds together and the auto pair into stereo, no app, no setup. And USB-C audio with built-in DAC, so you can plug straight into your laptop for lossless sound. Up to 10 hours battery, Bluetooth 6.0, AuraCast support. This thing punches way above its size. Highly recommended it. Go grab one.